today's video is an unboxing of the Ipsy Icon box, and this time they blew me away. Yes, so I received this box in PR, and it is always a treat to get it because it's always like Christmas every time this box comes. It's a quarterly box. It's $60, and if you subscribe for it, you're gonna get it every quarter, and it's curated by a celebrity. And this month, or this quarter, the celebrity is none other than Gwen Stefani. Yes, so that's fabulous because her makeup and stuff is all on point. So can't wait to show you guys what came in my box. I'm not gonna lie, I already kind of looked through it and everything because I don't want this video to be all over the place. If you like these types of videos and you're into beauty, fashion, and fitness, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put all kinds of good stuff on here. Go browse around. You're gonna love it. There's something here for everyone. So just subscribe to the channel, you never know what's gonna come next. So for those of you who don't know, Gwen Stefani has her own makeup line. Yes, it's called Give Beauty. It's very cute because she spells it GXVE, and I found out that the reason why is because when she signs her name and she signs her autograph, it's always a G and an X for a little kiss there. I'm not gonna talk your ear off. We're gonna go right into this box. Let me show you what came in it. Ipsy sent along this little newspaper style pamphlet that tells you everything you can expect to get in the box, all the different products, because every box is a little bit different. And this box, the Icon box, has 5 curated products in it, and then I believe there's 3 products that you can choose, but it goes for 60 bucks, and the value of the products in the box total to like $350. So it's absolutely worth it. Make sure you look below this video if you're interested in getting this box or getting more information about the box. I'll put a link down there. So the first item is this. It's the Gold Fade and MD Plant Perfusion Supreme Serum. And this is the first item that I picked from the box. Let me tell you guys, how much do you think this is? Okay, wait, this is the little bottle. It's 30 ml. This is my phone. This is the bottle. 30 ml. This baby retails for $235. Yes, that's incredible. There must be some diamonds in here and gold and stuff. But anyway, this is actually a powerful anti-aging serum, and it's infused with active plant stem cells that includes raspberry and comfrey. I hope I'm saying that right. My Dutch accent's messing me up, but it's cool. We keep it moving. Resulting in skin that looks more luminescent, appears plump, and feels firmer. For $235, this baby better do everything. Wow. I don't even want to show you guys on my hand because I don't want to waste a drop of this. I'm just going to leave it right here because I need lots of help. So I'll be using this. I'll probably, post on my Instagram stories to let you guys know what I think of this because it's going to take a while for me to use it and see the effect, hopefully. Quick coffee infusion. Okay, so the next item is a lipstick by Gwen Stefani's line Give Beauty. And I love, love, love the way her packaging looks. She's got that really cool girl vibe going, and her makeup reflects just that. So this is what it looks like. This is the lipstick. Very pretty. And then this one is in the shade Lovable Me. How pretty. It totally looks all Gwen Stefani vibes all over it. Love it. And it's a very pretty color. It's a matte lipstick. And actually this retails for $26. So, you know, this box, this icon box is so worth it. Yes. Just to see what it would look like on my skin. Ooh. That is actually very, very nice. I love how it's more of a natural tone. This lipstick is absolutely gorgeous. Awesome. So the next item is by Ren Clean Skincare, and it's a facial mask. It's a glycolic lactic radiance renewal mask. This is what it looks like. And it's 50 mLs. It's an exfoliating mask formulated to remove dead skin cells for a brighter, more luminous complexion. And I love this brand. Actually, I have several products that I got from Ipsy of this skincare line, and I absolutely love them. So this retails for $58, and I will absolutely be using it. I'm constantly looking through all my stuff to see if I have new masks that I can try. So I'll definitely be using this. Coffee, a must. This is my second cup. So when I first started like doing my beauty stuff on Instagram and stuff, I always looked at these other influencers and what they were doing, and one of the girls that I follow was Dominique. And this was before she had her own makeup line and all that. And it's really cool to see now that she has her own makeup now. And this came in the icon box. It's her essential palette. It retails for $49. It's very pretty. It's like a plastic see-through case. And then look at that. I love the neutral colors because you can wear them anytime, you know. I love that. I love, my favorite are like these shades right here. I'm not a big fan of glittery, shimmery shades for your eyes, but sometimes you do want that little oomph, you know. So that's where these shades here would come in handy. But this is a very, very pretty palette. Next is the In Beauty product Face Glaze Bronze Server. I think it's a gel cream. It's a hydrating gel cream that adds a gorgeous bronze glow to the skin. Now, you might be like, but Kim, you're already bronze, you know, but let me tell you guys, I always like to apply a little more bronzer to my skin. As you can see, like right here, I always apply it here. I love that little tan look, even though I'm already tan. It's weird, but yeah. I'm sure all you tan girls out there know what I mean. You can use it on its own or add it to add a bronze glow as a primer mixed in with your foundation or on top of makeup as a cream bronzer. So let's check out the shade there. That's the shade. I actually think this might work for my skin tone, to just add a little, might be a little too light. See, because it's almost like it would work. That came in the box, and this is $25. Next is this perfume, and I love getting fragrances because I love smelling fabulous. And I was super excited. First I was like, what's this? But then I opened it and I saw the little bottle and I was like, I love it. Okay, so this retails for $65. It's the Maison Louis Marie number 13 Nouvelle Vague perfume. And it's a Rollerball perfume. And it's actually a perfume oil. Oh, I love the way this smells, and I'm not gonna lie, I have already used this several times because I'm such a perfume, yeah, I'm one of those, you know, I just put it on. Oh, it smells really good. It smells really good. And you know what I love about this perfume oil is that it's not overpowering. You know, sometimes when you put on perfume, it just smells like you fill the room with the whole smell. This is not. This is really subtle, really like, ooh, what's that smell? It smells so good. Ooh, this is it. So I love this. I am constantly wearing it for a little quick, you know, a little quick something something. I absolutely love it. So yeah. 2 more products to go. Wow, this is going quick. The next one. So the next one is a Skin Barrier Moisturizing Cream by Dr. Jart Plus, I want to say. Now, I've never heard of this brand before, honestly. But whenever a doctor creates a product, I am super excited by it because, you know, they specialize in these types of things on a whole nother level, right? Now, this moisturizing cream retails for $48. It's a fast absorbing, cushiony cream that strengthens the skin barrier and continuously moisturizes and boosts suppleness. Looks like, ooh. There's a little dollop. I'm just gonna, not sticky. Ooh, wow, my hand must have been really dry because it suddenly looks very moisturized. I don't really smell anything, but that's because I still smell the perfume. The last product in the icon box is, of course, from Gwen Stefani and Give Beauty. And it's actually a 24-hour gel pencil eyeliner. And this is what it looks like. It's a blue eyeliner and it retails for $20. Look at that. Okay, let me just swatch it. Look at that. It is bright, bright blue. Okay, my swatch is, okay, yeah. I got creative with it. But yeah, it's bright, bright blue, and I can see how this would look really nice with some glossy lips maybe, and like a clean look. Yes. So that was the last item in the box. I hope you guys love this video because I absolutely loved unboxing all this stuff. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check back next week for another video. I don't know what I'm going to feel like filming, but stay tuned because it's always going to be good, honest, quality videos here on my channel. Make sure you check out my blog, KimberlyWorldwide.com. And also check out the Ipsy link below this video if you're interested in getting a subscription box, whether it's Ipsy, BoxyCharm, or the Icon box. Look at that link below. And I will see you guys again next week.